Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs, you guys. It's me, it's Anne. I hope everyone is doing so super awesome out there. You may be wondering why I'm wearing a jacket inside. First of all, it's raining outside, you guys. It's so gray and gloomy. 2 weeks ago it was like almost 80 degrees and now it's cold. Well, it's cold for the Bay Area. I know a lot of you are in like 20-degree weather right now, but it's cold here. It's like 50 degrees. That's cold for the Bay Area. But you guys, I'm gonna show you something. I know a lot of you have been watching my tutorials and I appreciate you all so much. My little family here. Thank you all so much. In my last video, I can't believe it's been like almost a week. It's been a couple days at least. Anyway, my last video, I asked you guys, last year you guys was, I've been going through a lot of stuff, health stuff. My hand, I went through 2 rounds of injections with my hand. I've had really horrible tendonitis. Anyway, I'm trying to make this short and not babble so much. I lost my monetization last year, but thanks to you guys, I can get it back very quickly. I made my playlist super awesome, you guys. If you can, help me out. Just click on a playlist, hit play, and let it play if you guys are cleaning or just crocheting or just have it playing in the black background, you guys. Thank you so much. My numbers are growing. I am making crochet tutorials and I'll have new ones coming soon, you guys. I do have to watch my hand though. I do crochet very slow, snail's pace, because unfortunately I do have to watch my hand and my back. But they are coming. I promise you that. It's awesome. And as I crochet, I do modify the patterns a lot, you guys. But I did finish my flower. I have a lot of stuff in front of me as I do. This thing is so pretty, this flower. So I think I'm going to make a wearable, and I'm going to make a kind of a top. I don't know, what should I make with this? One thing that I noticed though, so I got this from a book. I got the pattern from a book, and the sides are open, and I do not like that, because when you wear it, if I were to make a wearable, do you see how it opens like that? So as I was crocheting the second round, I'm like, maybe I'll put like a little drop down stitch right there. And then I said, oh, well, maybe I'll do it like every 3rd stitch. So I did it right here. And I like that one much better. Can you see that? Where I did it right there. So that's going to be in the final pattern right here, just because it closes it up, as opposed to leaving it wide open like that. So that's how I do my little modifications of the patterns, and this one I modified tremendously. So you'll see that when I finally get around to making the tutorial, which will be very soon. And speaking of a finished tutorial, why I did not take my jacket off, but that is super cute. I'm gonna make the flowers in, I think I have 2 or 3 different colors, and I'm going to make, it's going to be either a wrap or a top, and I think I'm gonna have it this way. I don't know, I was playing around with it. Anyway, that's coming soon. Why I did not take my jacket off is because, and I'm like, why don't I like show them my finished stuff so I can like highlight some of the crochet tutorials that I actually have. And I know I told you in my last video that I gave away a ton of stuff, but I also still have a lot of stuff. One of them is this scarf. And I usually wear black a lot, but when you make crochet tutorials, black does not show up on camera. So I made this one in multicolors, and you'll see when I do the finished crochet items that I do have are multicolor. I usually don't wear multicolor, but crocheting, especially crochet tutorials, has forced me to wear multicolor stuff. That's why I have multicolor stuff. So this scarf is one of my crochet tutorials. It's super easy to make. I use like the chenille yarn. It's awesome. It's so warm. I was actually wearing it today. I wear it underneath my jackets and it looks awesome. And there you go. This is just called the shell stitch scarf. It's very easy to make, and it works up super fast. You guys can do it literally in a day, 2 days max. If you guys would like to make this, I'll have the link right up here. I actually made a scarf playlist. Super awesome, you guys. And it's very warm. And you can double it up, or you can just have it open, and you can wear it. I like wearing it underneath my jackets. Oh, it's so nice. And speaking of, this is going to segue into something, I promise you. Speaking of playlists, I made another playlist over the weekend. My channel, it's kind of hard to, I was like taking a look at it over this weekend. Because you guys, I know I was going to make, I told you last week that I was going to make this tutorial. One thing, my house, when my husband's home, maybe you have a quiet husband. I don't have a quiet husband, or maybe you have a quiet partner. When I didn't realize that it was going to be a holiday weekend, so he was home all weekend, and it was rainy, so he was like inside. He gets really antsy. He has to be outside all the time or doing something, and like, oh my god, it was rainy, and he's like, ah. So he starts playing the music really loud, and then starts doing things around the house, and it's like, okay, well, I can't do any tutorials, or then, you know, let's go do something, let's go here, let's go there, blah, 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 blah. So it's like a whirlwind and everything. So I know I was going to do this, said I was going to do this tutorial, so I will get this tutorial done when I can. That's how things go around here. Anyway, I was taking a look at my channel, and I've been cleaning up my channel. I know there's a ton of giveaway videos and winner picked videos, and I'm trying to move those aside so my crochet tutorials kind of take front and center, so it's easier for people to find those. And I also made a crochet stitch playlist. You guys, by the way, we're gonna have a giveaway in this video at the end of the video. I'm just letting you know what is on my channel besides giveaway videos, so you guys know. So I also have crochet stitch tutorials for your viewing pleasure, and also for you guys who are new to my channel. Welcome. I really appreciate you being here. I made this stitch tutorial earlier this year when I was kind of waking my channel back up. This one is the ripple stitch tutorial, which I love. And this is going to segue into the crochet giveaway, into the yarn giveaway. So this one is super awesome. Again, it's the ripple / wave stitch. It's super easy once you get the hang of it. I think it's only a 2-row repeat. And this one I'm using, or I used the Red Heart Super Saver yarn in Wildflower. It's really, really awesome. And again, if you would like to do this stitch is great for blankets. And also, when you're doing blankets, you don't have to do the same stitch throughout the whole blanket. You can put different stitches in at your leisure. Make it your own. It's really, really awesome. If you want to do that stitch, I'll link the video up above. Also, I'll have the playlists down below because I made the playlist. Wow. So this is going to segue into the yarn giveaway, because the yarn giveaway this week, I might have 2 this week. I don't know if I can get the time to make them. The yarn is very similar to this yarn that I'm giving away this week. And you guys, I just wanted to say again, thank you so, so much. It's so awesome to see everyone's faces, to read your comments, you guys. I appreciate everyone so, so much. It's so awesome to read everyone's comments, to see you all, and for those of you that have been here forever, thank you so, so much, you guys, for being here. I don't like it like that. For those of you that are new, yes, I really am like this. Yes, I really do talk like this. And yes, I really am this crazy. And yes, I really do give away all this yarn. People really do win, and I send it out all the time. Yarn giveaway this week. I don't know why this one looks like this. I think it's like a different, it's all the same. Doesn't that one look more vivid? Anyway, I don't know what's happening. 4 skeins of Super Saver stripes. I promise you they're all the same color. I might throw in something extra on this one. You never know. You never know. 4 skeins of Super Saver stripes, polo stripe yarn. Really, really pretty, you guys. Can you see that? I don't know why it's not focusing today. Red heart. Everyone loves red heart. Pardon me, my goodness. 4 weight, 5 millimeter hook, 5.5 millimeter hook. I don't have my glasses. I can't see. I don't know. Oh, here we go. They're right in front of me. It looks like I need glasses. 5.5 millimeter hook, 4 weight. The color is polo stripe. How many yards is this? 236 yards of fun. So there is enough yardage to make something. You can actually make a nice scarf with it. And also, if you go on Yarn Inspirations, I don't know if you guys have ever been on Yarn Inspirations. They have a ton of free patterns on there. But also, you could go on Dazola Designs and get a ton of free patterns too. What do you have to do to win this yarn? Oh, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Please make sure. Some of you are saying you're not getting my or you're not getting notified when I have a new video on. Turn your notifications on. I will make a separate video to show you how to do that, but hit subscribe and then hit the bell. Ring that bell. Ring my bell. Ring my bell. What do you have to do to win this yarn? All you have to do is comment below and answer this question. So what I'm going to start doing is, that's so beautiful. What I'm going to start doing is, after these giveaways are done, so bear with me here. After these giveaways are done and the giveaways are over, the winners are picked and everything is said and done, there is footage left over. So I'm going to edit everything out. I'm going to edit the giveaways out and leave like what I talked about. Does that make sense? So like a yarn chat. I want to know what I should name that. Does that make sense? So like what we're talking about now, what I just talked about the first 8 minutes of this video, aside from this giveaway, what should I call that? Last year I was calling something, I think it was the Dazola Daily. Should I just call it Crochet Chat? Should I just call it Yarn Chat? Should I call it the Dazola Daily? Should I call it something else? I don't know. You guys are always so good with coming up with stuff. What should I call that? Answer down below. I don't know what to name it. I don't know what to call it. I don't know. I was asking my daughter this weekend. She didn't know either. So if you would like to be entered to win this yarn, comment down below on what should I call this crochet chat that we're having, that we talk about things, life in general. Because I will start calling it that from now on. I don't know what to call it. And this keeps falling. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I gotta make a good one here, so here we go. I gotta make a good one here so I could like put the screenshot on. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for being here. I really, really appreciate you all being here. I hope everyone is awesome. I hope you guys are all having a super awesome day. And yeah. Oh, and just make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, please. And take care. And we'll talk to each other soon, you guys. Have a great day and be awesome. And we'll talk to each other soon. Bye.